Hey guys, so as part of your Alamo unit, we are going to create a mind map using illustrations. It has been shown that if you use illustrations along with language and create something that makes sense to you, even if the drawings suck, it's okay. It's going to stay in your working memory longer than if you were just to write them down or watch a video or read through something and answer some questions. So I wanted to show you a couple of examples of mind mapping using illustrations. I've got some examples from third grade, and then I'm going to show you a couple of examples from first grade. So this is the third grade. Trumpet of the Swan is what they read, and as you can see through these, all of them are different. So there's not a right way or a wrong way to do this, but what you're going to do is you're going to do pictures that remind you about what you read so that you can remember it or recall it. And this works really great for tests and things. So remember this for next year. But here we've got the Trumpet of the Swan. There's the prison, the swan boat, the lion. If anybody has read this book, then you'll probably start to remember parts of it. There's Lewis with his coronet, the money, the zoo owner. But then if we go to another one, they needed to remember things a different way. So they drew different pictures, and then they've got their ideas and then what happened or how they're connected going out to these different pictures. If we go to first grade, so this one they were reading Charlotte's Web, and this one got it colored. So make it fancy. It's a fun way to learn without, having to study and memorize and things like that. You actually get to have fun while you're learning. So right here, she's got all the different things that happened in the book. She's put it inside of the pictures. She's got some of the quotes that the characters were saying. This one's got more like a timeline going on and the important parts of the book. Same with this one. They've got them numbered of what was happening. Number 9, Templeton, noticing the web up there, the stage where Wilbur is on. And this one's even more different. So she's got the bubble, and then she's got the arrows going out and showing how these ideas are connected. I'm going to be working on one, and I'll put up a couple of slides of the mind map that I did of the Alamo, and that will give you an idea. Let's start these on Monday, and if you can check in with me on Wednesday by either emailing them to me, or you can take a picture of them and put them on Instagram, hashtag FoxHollowBTSArt, and then that way everybody will be able to see them. Okay, have fun, guys.